Guys, welcome back to Which Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Roblox join error, can't join place http 400 unknown error or error code 610 on Roblox on your PC and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to search here for control panel. Just search for control panel. Now from here you just have to select Internet and Sharing Center. From here you just have to click on change adapter settings, and from here you just have to right click on Internet and go to properties. Now from here you just have to right click on Internet Protocol versions and you have to change this one and give the values to the preferred DNS as well as on the alternate DNS. So the values are 1111, which means which is most of you guys will be knowing this, and the second value is 1, which is 0 0 and 1. Once after that you just have to go for OK and you just have to close this up and you just have to do this up, and this is the first step. And if it's not working, then we have a solution. So just have to search for CMD, you have to search for it, go for N as administrator and go for yes. Now what you have to do is just have to give a command. It's very simple, ipconfig. So I'll be providing that in the description, /flush DNS. Just have to type this and you just have to go for the next one, which is netsh win sock reset. Then you just have to press enter and you have to exit. Okay, so I'll be providing the commands in the description so you can copy paste, and it's not a big issue, and most probably after that try to fix this up so it will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.